Hello, it's Rosebud, and in today's video I will be reviewing the Comedo Suction by ETTG. Actually, the exact name for it is Penguin Comedo Suction, and I guess that's because it's kind of shaped like a penguin. The Comedo Suction removes blackheads, cleans pores and reduces wrinkles. So let's get it open. Not sure how much this costs as it was gifted to me, but I did manage to find the exact model on Amazon, selling for around £10. And I will leave a link in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing one of these. So you get the instruction manual, which gives you a step-by-step guide on how to use the device, a nice soft bag, and you get 4 filters in there, along with 2 silicone gel rings, and as you can see there's also a tiny ring as well. Okay, what else does it have? Well, it has 4 circular heads, and there is one already on the device, a USB to charge the device, and I believe that's it. And finally we have the Comedo Suction, which is very light but doesn't feel cheap. It has a nice cool green colour along the back there. It's easy to grip onto, and that's the power button on the front, and along the bottom is where you would charge it. As I mentioned before, you get 4 replaceable heads, 2 big sizes, thick and thin. The thin one is for delicate skin, for cleaning dirt in the pores. You get 1 small size for cleaning pores and blackheads, and is suitable for sensitive skin. And we have 1 oval for reducing fine lines. But before we start, I need to fully charge the device, so let me just connect it to my laptop. A flashing red light indicates it needs charging, and apparently you need to fully charge the device for 7 hours. So let's go. Okay, I'm now going to quickly explain what the colour codes mean. So the green is soft suction mode, blue is clean suction mode, the red is strong suction mode, yellow is intimate suction mode. So my face is clean, and it's advisable to steam your face before using the device to open up the pores. I'm just going to use a hot towel over my face and just press it down for a few minutes. That should do it. Okay, I'm now going to start off by massaging my face. It's set on the lowest level. I'm going to hold my skin and gently move it up along my face as illustrated in the picture. So it's meant to suck on the skin and quickly pull out. So hold and then pull out, and by doing so repeatedly will act on deep parts of the skin to stimulate micro circulation to prevent wrinkles. Even at the lowest level, it has a powerful suction, as you can see. I would advise you to apply on the back of your hand first to get familiar with the device before using. And there's a few red marks, but nothing to worry about. It feels okay, doesn't hurt or anything like that. Okay, I'm now going to turn it up to the next level, which is the clean suction, the blue mode. And as you can see, the marks on my face are more visible. You want to make sure you pull the skin up first, then move the device upwards. You don't want to drag the skin down or anything like that. Do not keep it in one area for too long. Keep moving it up. Okay, let me do the other side of my face, working it from the jawline up towards the outer side of my face, avoiding the eye area. Okay, we're now going to tackle my fine lines between my eyes, and that actually feels good. My skin is starting to turn red though, which is, I suppose it's a good thing, as it means the suction is working. It's helping the blood circulate around my face. Well, I hope that's what it's doing anyway. Okay, I'm now going to use the next level. I'm not sure if I should, but and I can tell you now, it definitely has made a mark on my skin. It does have a powerful suction, and I think I probably went too far this time. It has left red streaks across my face. Can you see that there? Oh no. Hopefully this will die down. That doesn't look good, does it? I'm a bit worried now. It does say in the instructions that redness will die down about after 30 minutes, so I wouldn't advise you to use this just before going out. It also says do not suck on the same position for a long time as it may result in purple skin, and to stop using it basically. I think it's a bit too late for that now. Okay, then let's now focus on my forehead, and that isn't bad. Feels quite good actually. It's a bit red, but no streaky red marks. So just a warning, do not use on your cheeks on the strongest suction. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted as there's wasps just outside my window. They have set up a nest in the roof and are getting through. There's a tiny gap, can you see that? A tiny gap in the window frame, and that's where they're getting through. I have left the window open and the noise coming from the device has got their attention, so just going to keep a close eye on those wasps. One moment, I'm just going to close the window. That was close, but I'm okay, I'm safe. Okay, I'm still going to use the small head, and now going to use it to remove blackheads on my nose. It's a shame I don't have one of those micro cameras to see if it's pulling them out. So you're meant to move slowly several times in one direction, and you're not meant to move back and forth. I'm trying to keep it in one direction but keep forgetting. There's only a small amount of whiteheads that have been pulled out, but to be honest I didn't really have that many to begin with. Okay, I'm now going to try the next level up. So just starting to get a little bit red around the edges of my nose. I can feel it sucking out my whiteheads. Very satisfying to see. And yes, my nose looks a lot more cleaner and brighter. So if you do have blackheads or whiteheads on your nose, it will remove them, basically. And I've noticed I have a whitehead on my chin. Can you see that right there? Okay, I've set it to clean suction, which is the blue light. Let's see if it will remove my whitehead on my chin. Oh, did you see that? It removed it. It did take a few swipes though, but it did come out. So it's amazing. No more squeezing them out. So I can just use this to suck them out. Can't believe it actually worked, and that's not even on the strong setting as well. Okay, I've now replaced the suction head for the oval probe, which is for removing fine lines. I'm just going to turn it up a level and apply it to the corners of my face, working upwards at all times. So suck on the skin and quickly pull out. To clean the heads, use cotton swabs with cleaning products, and to replace the filters, just use tweezers. Yeah. Not sure I will be using this to reduce fine lines. I'm not too sure actually. It's probably doing more damage than good, to be honest. Yeah, I would definitely be using it to remove blackheads, and I think it's also safe enough to use along the T-zone area. That's the forehead, nose and chin, but for the rest of my face I think I will stick to using other massaging tools like my twin ball face massager. That was really good to reduce fine lines, but this, I think it's just a bit too much. Okay, that's it. I'm now going to use a clay mask to help soothe my skin. Hopefully this will remove the purple streaks on my cheeks. It's the L'Oreal Blemish Clay Mask that I've got here. So just apply all over the face and leave on for between 10 and 15 minutes. Okay, I've removed the clay mask, and you can see, ladies, the mark hasn't disappeared, it's still there, and I can tell you now it took several hours before my skin went back to normal. So that's a warning there, not to use the strong suction on your cheeks. Okay, that's it for this video. The device did impress me. The suction is powerful, but you do have to be careful when using the strong settings, as it will leave purple marks on your face, and it does take several hours for it to turn back to normal. If you do use the strong setting, probably best to use it on the T-zone area, as the skin is more tougher there. But I must say it did remove my whiteheads and left my nose looking cleaner and brighter. So for that, I would recommend this product. And one final thing I have to say is please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see more videos from me. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.